In today's video, we're going to be making mango cupcakes. These cupcakes have a little bit of sticky texture to it since we're going to be using raw pureed mangoes, but still the cakes are very light and tastes delicious. Let's begin by adding half a cup of butter and 1 cup of powdered sugar to a mixing bowl. We're going to cream the sugar and butter using an electric whisk at medium speed until the mixture turns pale and fluffy. We're gonna add 1 whole egg and 1 egg white to the mixing bowl along with 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence and whisk all these ingredients to a homogeneous mixture. Most importantly, we're gonna be whisking at medium speed. Let's scrape the sides of the bowl when required, and here we're gonna be adding a little bit of food coloring, and that is totally optional. And then we're also gonna be adding 1/3 cup of pureed mango that is free of lumps along with 1 cup of whole milk. And now we are going to whisk on medium speed until a homogeneous mixture is achieved. And now we are going to be sifting the dry ingredients. First of all, we are going to be adding in 1 cup of whole wheat flour along with half a cup of unbleached flour, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Let's always make sure to use quality ingredients while baking. Let's add a very little flour at a time and fold it with the wet ingredients. We're going to repeat this until all the flour is well combined with the wet ingredients. We do not want to rush at this point of time. We'll make sure to get the folding done slowly. We're going to transfer the cake batter to a small muffin tray lined with paper linings. We're going to bake these in a preheated OTG at 170 degrees Celsius for 22 to 25 minutes or until a skewer inserted inside comes out clean. And that's it. We're done with this amazing cupcakes. Bon appétit!